Welcome student on another video lecture. Topic is classification of root drug. In that second classification is morphological classification. Here crude drugs are arranged or grouped according to the part of plant or animal represented in organized, that is cellular drug, and unorganized drug. So here the classification, just morphology means external characteristic of the drug. So according to which part of plant or animal that is used as a drug, according to their morphological characteristic, they are classified. Organized drug are direct part of plant and are divided into leaves, bark, wood, root, rhizome, seed, fruit, flower, stem, hair, and fibers. So when we say about the organized form of drug, then it is having certain cellular structure. When you are taking any transfer section of any part of plant and see under the microscope, you will find cellular structure, that is epidermis, and after that colon-gamma, sclerenchyma cells, xylem, phloem, vascular bundle. So all these are the various parts you can see when you see the section under the microscope. So when you will see such structure and you can take out that section from that, such drug is known as organized drugs. It is having a specific cellular structure and it is nothing but the part of plant. Unorganized drug, the drug products are of plant, animal or mineral source. They are divided into dried latex, dried juice, dried extract, gum, resin, fixed oil, fats, waxes, volatile oil, animal product, minerals, etc. So these are not the part of plant, but these are obtained from the plant. These are collected from the plant. For example, latex, opium latex, that is collected, the juice which is come out from that opium capsule, that is collected and it is dried. Dried juice, dried extracts are prepared and they are made from different parts of the plant and they are dried and preserved. That all comes under unorganized drug. Gum, resin, all these are collected from plant by giving incisions. Resins or gums, these are collected by giving incisions on the trunk of the tree, and the liquid which will oozes out, that will collected, that will dried, and that will placed or stored. Such drugs are known as unorganized drug. So organized drugs are directly the part of plant, and when you are taking a transfer section, you will find a proper cellular structure which is of that particular drug. Whereas unorganized drug is a drug which is obtained from the plant, but it is not a part of plant, but it is obtained from the plant. Some are collected by giving incisions, some are collected by preparing extracts, and some are the fixed oil or volatile oil which are present, they are collected from that. So all these are the obtained from plant or animal or mineral only, but they are not a direct part of the plant. Such and they are not having any cellular structure. Such drugs are known as unorganized drug. Here, according to the morphological characteristics, the drugs are classified. Part of plant, leaves, datura, senna, vasaka, digitalis, all these are the leaves. Leaves of all these drugs, they are used as a drug because this contains the active constituent which is present for producing particular therapeutic effect. Bark, cinnamon, cinchona bark. Wood, cassia wood, sandalwood. Root, Rauwolfia root, licorice root, all these are the roots. Rhizome, ginger, podophyllum, turmeric, all these are the rhizome. Flower, cloves, saffron, pyrethrum, all these are the flowers. Seed, Naxomica, linseed are the seeds. Fruit, fennel fruit, coriander, dill, all these are the fruit. So according to the different parts of the plant, which part of the plant is used as a drug, which part of the plant that contain that active constituent which is giving particular therapeutic effect according to the different parts of the plant. Here we are classifying the drug by morphological classification of crude drug. Stem, ephedra, hair and fibers, cotton, hemp, jute, all these are the hair and fibers. After that, dried latex, these are unorganized drug. Dried latex, that is opium, dried juice of aloe, dried extract agar katechu, all these are the dried extract. Gum, acacia tragacanth, these are the gums. Resin, benzoin, colophony, asafoetida, all these are the resins. Fixed oil and fats, castor, cottonseed, waxes, beeswax, volatile oil, coriander, cinnamon, animal product, beeswax, shark liver oil, gelatin, mineral, bentonite and kaolin, talc. All these are the different products which are obtained from plant, animal and mineral, but these are unorganized form of drug. They are not having any cellular structure, but the classification is based upon the morphological characteristics of the drug in morphological classification of crude drug. Now advantages, this system of classification is more convenient for practical study. So to study the drug practically, if the drugs are divided or classified according to morphological characteristics, then it is very easy for practical studies, especially when the chemical nature of drug is not clearly understood. What is actual the chemical nature of drug, which chemical constituents are present in the drug, and which chemical constituent they are giving that therapeutic effect, that idea is not clear. In that case, this system of classification is very convenient. This type of classification is very helpful in identifying the adulterants used. So if any adulterants are used instead of natural original drug, that can also be identified by using this type of classification. Disadvantages, it does not give an idea about biological source, chemical constituent and uses. So this type of classification, only we are classifying the drug according to the various parts of plant, animal or mineral sources they are used, but we don't know about the chemical constituent which are present in that drug, as well as what is the particular therapeutic effect that the particular drug will give. That we cannot understand from that classification. Only the morphology of that particular part we can and we will know, but the biological source, we don't know about the biological source from the morphological classification, as well as chemical constituent and uses. When different part of plant contain different chemical constituent, it is difficult to classify them. So if the drug is same from same plant, but the part of plants which are used, they are having different chemical constituent, then it is very difficult to classify them, which because some part contain different constituent and some are, so the each and every part of plant that will not giving that particular therapeutic effect. In that case, it is very difficult to classify them. So this is about the morphological classification of crude drug. If you like my video, please press the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you.